Hi, so welcome to the Violet STEAM Education Kit tutorials. My name is Marissa and I'm going to be walking you through this video. In this video you're going to be learning how to set up the LEDs on Violet. And what I'm referring to when I say LEDs, they're also known as light emitting diodes, and in your kit you will see 3 of them which look like this: the red LED, the green LED and the blue LED, and there are 3 LEDs which are clear. For the purposes of this tutorial we'll just focus on these 3. We'll refer to the clear LEDs in a future tutorial. Now the reason why we need to talk about the setup for these LEDs is because of the polarity. If you set up the LEDs the wrong way around, potentially you can blow up an LED. If you have already blown up an LED, that is totally okay and totally normal. Everyone has done it at least once. If you have, just refer to the Violet handbook and that will walk you through how to replace the LED. So, let's learn about the polarity. So, looking at the green LED here, if you look closely at the 2 legs, the first leg is shorter and the second leg over here on the left hand side is longer. The shorter leg is the negative end and the longer leg is the positive end. And just to reiterate that, we'll take a look at the blue LED. So you'll notice that their shorter leg is on the right hand side, just like on the green LED, and the left hand side, that's the longer leg, and that's the positive end. So on the right hand side, because it's the shorter leg, we know that's the negative end. If we look at the red LED, that's flipped around, so the longer leg is actually on the right hand side, and so that is the positive end, and on the left hand side, which is the shorter leg, that is the negative end. So that's basically what you need to know about LED polarity. Now, how is this relevant to Violet? So, if you get rid of the battery holder and remove the Arduino, this is what you will see, and this is the Violet PCB, and PCB stands for printed circuit board. In a future tutorial we'll run you through what all the different components on this PCB is, but for the sake of this tutorial we're going to focus on this section. So, in this section you'll see 3 female headers, and this is where the LEDs would go. If you take a closer look, there are these squares, and that's where the prongs or the legs of the LEDs will go. Now, if we were to remove the female header, so desolder it, or if we were just to look at a blank PCB without the header, you would see this circle underneath. There is a hash side and there is an unhashed side. And if you take a closer look in the corner of the unhashed side, there is a little plus sign. And that basically denotes that that's where the positive leg of the LED goes. So if I was to put back the female header, basically the positive end goes here and the negative end goes here. So just to sort of reiterate that, here's an LED, the green LED, the shorter leg, that is the negative end, and that's going to go on the negative end of the female header, or the hash side. And then you have the longer leg, which we know is the positive end of the LED. That will go on the unhashed side, in the positive end of the female header. That is basically what you need to know about setting up your LEDs. We hope you enjoy this tutorial, and thank you for watching.